Hey guys, I am John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy, and today we're going to be talking about, can you roll an annuity into an IRA? So rolling an annuity into an IRA, well, to roll anything into an IRA, it has to be a qualified account, okay? So if it's just a straight annuity, maybe you funded it with cash or with brokerage money, something outside of a qualified account like a 403b, IRA, or 401k, then no, you cannot roll it into an IRA because it is non-qualified money. Anything that's out of a qualified account, such as an IRA or 401k, can never be rolled into a qualified account, okay? But that's not necessarily a bad thing. So non-qualified annuities are great because they're taxed according to the exclusion ratio. And the exclusion ratio typically is taxing a much smaller amount of your lifetime income payments than, of course, you would be taxed from within your IRA. Now, that being said, if you've got an annuity, maybe it is a tax-sheltered annuity, okay, and it's inside of a 403b plan, then yes, as long as your provider allows it, absolutely, you can move that annuity from that annuity contract into another annuity contract inside of an IRA. So that's typically how that would happen. I've got people that reach out to me and they've got these tax-sheltered annuities inside of their 403b plans, and they're thinking, well, this isn't going to provide me a lot of income. Where can I get a better annuity that will give me more income? And then they'll contact me because, of course, I show them everything. And typically what they'll do at that point is they will just roll the money from their 403b into an IRA, and they'll purchase a different annuity contract inside of that IRA. And so all the money stays tax deferred. Okay, it's a 1035 transfer. And then, of course, whenever they want to activate that income from that new annuity, then they're able to get a ton of guaranteed income from it. So if you're thinking about purchasing an annuity and you want highest income, then you definitely want to book a call with me. There is a link below this video. You'll be able to go directly to my calendar and we can chat about whatever you're looking for. So typically, whenever you're thinking about purchasing an annuity and you're thinking about IRAs, the money's got to be in an IRA. It's got to be in a 401k, a 403b, a pension plan. Okay, all those are tax-deferred plans. So you can purchase an annuity inside of an IRA. You can absolutely do that with any of those buckets. Okay, they're all tax-deferred buckets. And so when you transfer the money from those buckets into an IRA and you purchase an annuity inside of that IRA, then you're keeping the money tax-deferred, which is what you want. But the only difference is you're making sure that there is a guaranteed contract sitting inside of that IRA that you can activate income at any time, okay? That's what's so great about these. And on top of that, if you want tax-free income, then what I would recommend is after you transfer the money into the IRA, you purchase your annuity and you got that annuity growing, and maybe you're going to, activate income in 5 years, let's say. But let's say you want tax-free income. Then at that point, you might think about converting that IRA that has that annuity contract inside of it to a Roth IRA. Obviously, you got to pay taxes, talk to your accountant, see if it makes sense for you. But if you want tax-free income, then that annuity contract will still give you the same guaranteed amount of income. But of course, if you decide to convert it to a Roth, then it will be tax-free guaranteed lifetime income for the rest of your life. So that's pretty great when you're thinking about taxes and you want to minimize them as much as possible. So think on that. If you have questions about annuities and maybe you just got money sitting in brokerage funds or cash and you're thinking, I want to purchase an annuity and I want to have as much tax savings as possible, then of course you're not going to transfer that into an IRA. You can't, but you could purchase an annuity with non-qualified funds and then be taxed according to the exclusion ratio, which there is a video in my channel. If you look for that exclusion ratio video, it will explain exactly how much taxes you will pay. And I think you'll be surprised and pleased about how little you will be paying in taxes with your non-qualified annuity. And of course, with just regular annuity contracts inside of IRA accounts, you're just taxed as ordinary income, just like anything else. The difference is that money is guaranteed for life. All right. So I hope that helps. If you got questions, you want to go over annuities, and you want to be able to look at them without feeling like you're going to be sold anything, then I would urge you to book a call with me. So there's a link below this video and it'll get right into my calendar. We'll get on Zoom and I'll show you everything that's available. Okay. I'm going to be very, very transparent And then, of course, if that's something that makes sense to you, then, of course, I can help set that up for you. So, again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.